Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning. Ramadan Mubarak. So this is the first day of Ramjan and I am going for a morning walk. I want to improve my English, so I record my progresses to see how I am doing. So I'm going for a walk and only going to talk in English. I am going to a nearby tourist spot, you can say. As you know, I live in a remote village in Chattogram. Everything here is like old school villages everywhere, but it will be fun, I can assure you. So let's begin this journey. As you can see, I am walking in a muddy path. Behind me, all you can see are croplands. This one is our, and there are more croplands everywhere behind me. You can see there is so much fog here. It's because it's early in the morning. So I'm walking right now. It's so calm and quiet here. And you know what? It feels great to be here. I'm feeling like I'm dancing. Have a look at this. This place is called an Idgah. We pray here basically 2 times a year. We pray Salat of Eidain here. There are two Eids in our religion, and we also pray for the dead peoples here, like Salatul Janaza. Here is a big tree which I like to climb. I used to climb here when I was a kid, and nearby it's a small pond. There are less water here, and it's all fog. This place is huge and a perfect place for morning exercise. And far away, that's maybe a house. I'm walking and walking. There is a house there, and I'm sorry I can't film this whole walk because I don't have enough battery. So I have to split it. Okay, I have to skip some journeys. Right now I'm going to a bigger road. There is a canal there, you can see. I will show you. There is another house here. People are like building house. They are living peacefully, maybe. How it's like to be in a remote village where no one is so much connected with the city side. There are many natural beauties here, and also we are lacking education. That's why I can't speak this language fluently, but I want to improve. That's why I'm here. Here behind me is a madrasa, and there is a canal there which I will show you now. So let's go there. So Ramjan is not an ideal time for a morning walk, but I don't have too much contents to make, and I don't want to bore you guys by talking about freedom and adding there some all sorts of complexities like geopolitics, history, etc., etc. Okay, here we are. Behind me, you can see a bridge, kind of bridge, and there is a canal here. Okay, let's get in. Oh, bananas. Okay, in the middle, it is a canal, and there are roads both sides of the canal. Vehicles do not usually use this road. That's why it's so calm here. And look at these muddy roads, like all green everywhere. And there are croplands where farmers grow their vegetables and other crops. And also the sun is rising. uh, I hope you can see these trees. These trees are known as jaugas. I don't know the English name, so I'm sorry. These are so nice, and there is a garden of only these trees nearby, which I will show you if I get the chance. And I'm wondering, where are the trees of fruits? Oh, oh. Uh, know what? I can't eat or drink because I'm fasting. There is a cropland there. I don't have enough knowledge about filmography, and it is so difficult to hold a mobile camera and talk and walk. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but there are more here to feel, to experience, to see. There are actually shorter roads to go there where I am going, the tourist attraction, but I took this road because I think it's more calm and more beautiful. Whoa. You can see boats here. A new boat is being made. It's because basically it's a fishing country. Fishermen here use these boats to catch fishes and travel by them. But day by days, the beauty is unveiling, and It's becoming a tourist attraction. Look, what the hell? I mean, this part of the road is totally broken, almost broken. There are water coming from this way, which we'll discover, and there is also this thing. I take a new path and I'm walking behind because if I walk in the right way, you won't able to see me because of the sun. And can you hear the sound? Like what's there? Let's see. Okay, this is the noisiest part of my journey. It used to be a field for buffaloes and cows. Now they're like building something, I don't know exactly. We are here, we are getting closer to the tourist attraction I'm talking about. It's a sea beach known as it's known as uh, okay, so it's a sea beach known as Parki Sea Beach, and it's one of the most popular beaches in Chattogram. Though it's not an ideal time to visit a sea beach, but I can do this every morning whenever I like. So we are almost here. I can already feel the fresh sea environment and I'm walking on sands, like sands. Okay, should I say sand instead of sands? Okay, we are on the beach. Not the best view, but not bad either. Once upon a time, there was a ship nearby. At that time, the beach was more popular and more people used to come here. It's not like now people don't come here. People come here in weekends, in Friday. And now, if you like to travel alone, if you like solo travel, something like that, it will be a good experience for you to be here. And you know what? When the raining season comes, everywhere in our village there is no field to play. So once a week we come here to play football with our friends. I'm going back. I basically took the wrong path to see the water. Oh, I can feel gentle breezes and waves and kinda suffering on this mud. You can see what pollution really is, what pollution is doing with such a natural beauty. So be aware of these things. Though I really like traveling, I haven't been anywhere outside Chattogram. The ultimate goal of learning English, my ultimate goal of learning English is to connect with international community and go abroad. I want to explore the world, and look what I got. It's a green cherry type fruit. We call it boroi. There are trees all around me. I took one of them to show you, and you know what? I discovered something. The Englishman's, I'm not talking about cavemans, I'm talking about Englishman. Can you guess what they call this thing? In English, it is called jujube. Like, really, jujube. Atau gonolay. Atau gonolay. So guys, I'm going back home now. It was a good experience to be here for a walk. I really enjoyed the journey. I hope you guys also like this journey, and my apologies for my poor quality of pronunciation, and let me know where can I make improvements. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, have a peaceful Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak.